If your business relies on selling physical products, you know how important inventory and warehouse management are. Most up-to-date organizations have already made investments in scanners, mobile devices, RFID tags, and automation to reduce costs and increase productivity. Here's what's trending in inventory and warehouse management for the future. Today's consumer often browses on a phone or tablet, orders online, and then, depending on the item, picks up the purchase in-store or has it shipped to their home or office. This level of convenience in the customer journey is the new standard. However, selling through multiple channels makes inventory control more complex. You want to avoid stockouts, but you also want to guard against overstocks. With the average U.S. retailer carrying $1.43 in inventory for every $1 in sales, you need to find your sweet spot and consider adding more distribution center infrastructure. We've all had that experience at one time or another. The color or size you're looking for is out of stock, or the quantity you need isn't available. Real-time data and accurate forecasting are needed if you want to meet demand and satisfy customers. Those same analytics can also help you create a more personalized experience with targeted offers that reflect purchase history and product suggestions. Amazon estimates that 35% of all of its sales are generated through its recommendation engine. No inventory? No problem. Imagine a retail setting with minimal products but maximum brand exposure, creating unique experiences shoppers can't wait to share via social media. That's experiential marketing, and Nordstrom is leading the way. Nordstrom local stores have 8 dressing rooms, but no inventory in stock. Instead, personal stylists curate outfits and tailoring is available on-site. Other online retailers like Bonobos and Warby Parker are embracing this trend by allowing shoppers to try on products in traditional mall settings. The warehouse management system, WMS, has long been a cornerstone of most distribution operations, but today, supply chains are even more integrated thanks to automation, robotics, artificial intelligence, and other technology advances. In addition to moving products from manufacturer to warehouse and warehouse to retailer or end customer, the WMS gathers valuable information at every step in the process. Companies then analyze that data to aid in decision making. Logistics management writer Bridget McRae notes that warehouses are having to fulfill small orders faster, while also injecting last-minute orders into batch picking processes and returning goods to inventory. As McRae says, these new realities have made a sizable impact on the distribution environment and are pushing technology vendors to add capabilities to their systems. Changing consumer preferences will continue to impact operations, logistics, and supply chains, which will also raise expectations in the inventory and warehouse landscape too. Thankfully, you can expect new technologies to drive greater efficiencies and improve both speed and accuracy.